What are the three most common questions we get asked? The first one is, how do you ship chocolates around Australia, especially from Queensland, and not have them melt? Well, we use special thermal packaging as well as ice packs to ensure that your chocolates get to you not melted. We also use express couriers so that they get to you very quickly. Second question is, how do you get them to us not broken? Well, our chocolate packers are experts in packaging. So we're not just experts in getting chocolate shipped around Australia, but also in packaging them very carefully so that they arrive to you the same way that they left us in the factory. The third question is, aren't they expensive? Well, that's really in the mind of the person who's tasting it. And generally our experience is people say, wow, they are worth it. I am going to buy more. You can check out our over 15,000 plus 5-star reviews on our website. And we have shipped over 100,000 orders Australia-wide. So that says a little bit about it to you. So I hope you want to try our chocolates, or if you've tried them before, come back and get some more. I know you would have enjoyed them. That's poppyschocolate.com.au.